Hey everybody, it's Laura, and today we're going to make book page art. So grab a book you like that you don't mind ripping apart, or a used book that you don't care about, or whatever, a copy, anything you want. Copy a page and tear a piece off, and we're going to use that. You can even use blackout poetry for this, where you take a book page, black out all the words you don't want to keep, and the words you do keep that aren't blacked out are your poem. You need a scrapbook paper page of any kind you want. I think this one would be cool with a fantasy book, but I didn't have one. I had the history of England. So that's what I'm using right now. And you want the glass from your frame so that you can trace it. Using the glass means that you can get exactly the piece of scrapbook paper you want. And in this case, my scrapbook paper was a little faded on the edge on one side. So tracing it and seeing where that fading was really helpful for me. So trace it and cut it out. And you need a little glue stick or some kind of adhesive. Double-sided tape would even work for this because it's going to be sandwiched in a frame, so it's not going to move around a lot. You can get really cheap frames at Walmart or another big box store or a dollar store or a antiques shop. Sometimes they have them inexpensive, thrift stores, stuff like that. You might even get a cooler looking one than me if you go thrifting for one. So cut that out. I didn't crop this out because this video is so short anyway, so you just have my company while I talk about just life. So wouldn't this paper be cool with, like, I don't know, The Wizard of Earthsea, or what other good fantasies? The Dark is Rising, a page from that. That's by... oh gosh, what's her name? Anyway, something by Ursula Le Guin, something by Madeleine L'Engle, Diana Wynne Jones, anything really cool like that. Susan Cooper is who I was looking for before. Dark is Rising is by Susan Cooper. I got the first name, but I was like, wait, what am I remembering? But anyway, you can antique this page, you can stamp it, you can do anything you want with it. There's a lot of options. I'm just doing the really basic right now, and that is gluing the page down. Now, because my paper is textured, it doesn't want to glue all that well. That's not going to happen to you unless you have a textured page. In my case, it probably would have been better to use a double-sided tape, but I would have had to get up to go get the double-sided tape, and I'm not here for that. See, I also need to remember when I put things down that centering them is also a good idea. So you might want to center with like a ruler or purposefully put it at an angle. That's fun too. So there you go. Now you put it back in your frame. Stick the back on. If you want to hang it up on your wall, rip that little wooden tab there on the back off that stands it up on a surface, because it will never hang straight unless that's off. You can use a pair of pliers to do that. And there you go.